Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this Conair 1875 watt hair dryer. Okay, this is some instructions in there as well. I mean, not a lot to this thing here. It's got a decently long cord here. If I could take this off. So a couple features that it has. Not a whole lot. It's just a real basic hair dryer, but I don't think you need anything special. The cord's 6 feet long, give or take a few feet there, or a few inches. Plug this in real quick. It does have a little safety feature on there, so like a little like a breaker there, so you can reset and test that. So that's kind of nice. It does have all the basics there. And we have low. I'm sorry, that's high is up, off is in the middle, and low is down.